Okay, so bago ang connect, let's proceed to the introduction of our gandang lalaki technician
Wala.
2024.
Gawat ng tarong ko.
So, gagawin ko
Oh, may problema si Dudong. Ang manang may kaon ko ng mga ko.
So, habol na po yung west.
Wala pa mo panood to?
Yes.
Wala man nang nakapitang driver. Diretso ang pag-drive dito makda.
Okay, sana po yung ating mga katalsan. Okay, so before anything else, let me read this, the criteria of judging. For judges for this contest from the Gandang Lalaki Technician 2024.
Nyarangan ng ularong-larong.
Alright, so before anything else, ipapakilala ko ulit yung ating mga judges for our Gandang Lalaki Technician 2024. Our first judge is coming from Santo Niño,